Hi, I'm Maddie and we are going to blast through Launchbot. So go to launchbot.app and click Start Free with Google. It takes you to a sign-in page where you sign in with your Google Analytics account, the same account you use to access your Google Analytics. So log in with that account. It'll ask you to give permission to let Launchbot access your analytics data and your Search Console data. So then it gives you a list of all of the analytics accounts that your email address has access to. We're going to look at my incredible client switched on bikes. It then scans your Google Analytics data. So Google Analytics has a huge amount of data on traffic, but Launchbot takes that data and it hones in on the traffic that leads to conversions. So the people that buy or the people that sign up on your website. It focuses all its energy on looking at those people, because if we can grow that group and target our ads at that group, we bring the cost per click all the way down. The cost of your ads goes all the way down because you're only targeting ads at buyers, and your number of sales goes all the way up because each click is more likely to lead to sales. So on the left, we've got the data it's looking at from your website, and on the right, it builds a buyer profile of the people, the customer who's most likely to buy. It imagines them in detail, builds a fleshed out character for you to help you create your ads. And then it gives you ideas of where your paying customers are most likely to spend their time online. These are ideas for places you could post ads or do giveaways or joint collaborations, things like that. It looks at traffic, how they find you. So on the left, it's got all the numbers, but on the right, it's got why those people found you and which channels are leading to the most conversions. The channels bringing the most number of people is not as important as the channels that have the highest conversion rate, because the converting channels are where you want to place your ads, because you pay for less clicks and each click is more likely to lead to sales. It combines the buyer profile and the converting channels into next steps to grow your business. You select a few that you want to do and then you can get them emailed to you, or you can track them over here in your progress. Your progress has a to-do list, makes a to-do list for you that you can tick off, and it has a progress tracker where you can track your revenue month to month and see whether Launchbot's advice is helping you lead to more sales, and it does. Have fun!